to my channel and welcome to another gown haul video. I know you guys absolutely love watching such videos, and recently I've been getting so many requests from you guys to do another gown haul video, and finally today is the day when I'm going to be sharing the new collection of everpretty.com with you guys. You guys know Everpretty has been my favorite and the most go-to online shopping website when it comes to gowns and evening dresses and party dresses. Recently I did a bunch of shopping. So this is the huge box that I got from Everpretty this time, and I have some really amazing gowns and also evening dresses, like short dresses, to share with you guys in this video. So I hope you'll enjoy this. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Something that I wore very recently, and I've posted a picture of this on my Instagram. So in case you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me there, because I keep posting some amazing pictures. And also I have started this new thing where I call it hashtag Fun Friday, where I let you guys ask me anything. It can be as random as food and vlogs and places to my personal life details. I answer all of those for you guys on my Fun Friday stories on Instagram, so go ahead and check it out. But I posted this dress on my Instagram recently because I wore this to one of my friend's birthday, and you guys were obsessed with this. So this is from Everpretty, you guys. This is how the dress looks like. It is so elegant, so decent, and still so sexy. I cannot praise this enough. So it has these beautiful gorgeous ruffles in the front. It is off shoulder like this. Looks really amazing. It can make you stand out in the crowd, like literally, and you will feel like a fashionista whenever you wear this dress. At least I felt that way while I was sporting this that evening. That is the main point, or the main USP of this dress is these ruffles in the front. And then it goes down to a basic knee-length black dress. Oh my god, this looks so amazing, so freaking amazing. If you have seen my previous gown haul video, you would know I had bought a similar dress, like the same dress but in white color but in a different sizing, and that was a bit too tight for me. So this time I've gone for a AU size 10, and this fits me perfectly. Looks absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how this fits. So this is how the black dress looks like. Oh my god, look at the fringe, you guys. It is the showstopper and it fits perfectly. Look at the fitting. Last time, if you remember, this was a little tight, so I have gone a size up. This time I'm usually size 8, but today I'm wearing a size 10, an Australian 10. And this is how it looks like, and it fits perfectly. It'll make you stand out in the crowd in your party. Okay, so the next thing we are gonna see here is this white gown. Oh my god, you guys. I did not have any white gown in my collection till now. But now that I have this one, oh my god, I'm like, why did I never pick this before? Because this is so freaking gorgeous. Look at how pretty the glitter in the front looks like. It has V-neck in the front and also in the back, and the front is full of glitter. The sleeves are 3/4 sleeves. The same glittery pattern is going on here, and in the bottom is this flowy very very nice material georgette, and it also comes with an inner lining. so you do not have to wear anything underneath this. And oh my god, this looks so damn pretty. It is true to its size. Everything is in AU size 8. Basically that is my size, but in case you are shopping from Everpretty, I would recommend you go ahead and check the size chart of each dress or gown that you want to purchase. Let's go ahead and try this out and see how amazing this looks. And this is how this gorgeous white gown look like. Look at the sequins work, it is so freaking amazing. And then this is how it fits. Perfect fitting, true to size, absolutely love it. Look at how gorgeous the glitter is, and even the mesh quality is super amazing. And since it has inner lining underneath it, it is super soft, super comfortable to wear. And this is something that you can wear to a white wedding and you can dance your night off and it'll be just perfect. Now let's move on to another gown, but before moving on to the next piece, I have to tell you that I am gonna leave all the links of every item that I am showing you in this video today in the description box. I will also leave a coupon code for you guys on the screen and also in the description box, so you can get an additional 30% off if you use my coupon code, which is RidhimaMohini30. But I will still leave that in as the first thing in the description box. You can go ahead and use that code in case you want to shop from Everpretty. Now the next thing I got is this amazing black gown. Now this is fishtail. This has a fish cut or a fishtail gown, it is called. This can again be worn off the shoulder and also with the sleeves, but I think I'm gonna prefer wearing it as off shoulder. So it has this beautiful velvet material in the top, and in the bottom it has this amazing sequin work going on of copper and black. And oh my god, this looks gorgeous. And how this is absolutely amazing. Like, I have to go to some weddings now basically to wear all these gowns out and show my collection to the world, because oh my god, this is so pretty. The quality is out of this world, like out of this world, especially for what price you are paying. Oh my god, this will make you feel like $1,000,000. Now let's go ahead and try this out and see how this fits. So this is how this gorgeous black gown looks like. Oh my god, I absolutely love the fit and love the flare and love the glitter. Look at how perfectly this off shoulder fits. So velvet hair, it is very soft, and even the quality of the mesh and this glitter is so amazing. Since it has inner lining, nothing is itchy or anything like that. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Okay, the next thing I have is, ta-da! I know, you guys know I genuinely love this so very much that I ended up getting both the colors available in this dress. So this dress is available in white and black, and I have both of them now in my wardrobe. Had they made these these sort of dresses in different colors, I would have probably ended up getting each one of them. This is so amazing. It is the same black kind of dress where it has ruffles off shoulder. You can wear it like that and it fits you very beautifully, very nicely. Again, this one is AU size 10 and it fits amazing. I will wear this and show you guys now. And here comes another favorite of mine from Everpretty. Look at how beautiful this white dress looks like. It fits perfectly because I've gone a size up, and the ruffles, oh my god, look at the ruffles. Even the quality of this dress, the material of this dress is super amazing. It is very stretchy too, but I would still suggest go a size up and don't go 2 sizes up, because I think 1 size up would be good enough for you to breathe in and dance and still flaunt the ruffles. And yeah, that's how this beautiful white dress looks like. And the next gown that I have with me is this beautiful yellow, lemon yellow gown. Now I thought it was a mustard, but when it came in, it is actually lemon yellow. So it has v-neck over here, and then this scrunchy design near the waist, and down the bottom it is this flowy, beautiful flowy mesh gown with inner lining attached to it. In the side portion there's a cut, and in the back there is this elastic to cinch in the waist, and this is how it looks like. I am actually wearing a pink color of this same gown, so I have bought this gown in two different colors. One is yellow and the other one is pink. I will show you the pink one too, but let's go ahead first and try this yellow one out. So this is how the yellow gown looks like, you guys. I'm wearing an inner underneath this because the neck was too deep, but I can get it stitched with a local boutique, from a local boutique, or get a button over here, and I think it should be okay. And this is how it fits. It fits so perfectly, and here is the side slit. As I told you, I think this will look perfect for a beach wedding, sort of daytime kind of wedding. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this outside. So now that you have seen the yellow gown, it's time to go ahead and see how this pink gown looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is how the pink gown looks like. Look at how pretty and how gorgeous this is. Here is the side slit that I was telling you guys about. The only thing that I've done is I've added this inner underneath it because the neck was too deep. You can either have a tic-tac button, you can just go to your nearby tailor or a boutique and get a button in between, or else you can wear it like I have, in case you have a problem with such a deep neck. But oh my god, look at how gorgeous this looks. And now finally, the last item that I got from Everpretty this time is my most favorite. You guys, if you have seen my birthday haul, or the gown haul during the June time, June 2020, you would sort of recognize this dress. So this was actually my birthday dress last year, but in a different color. So I ended up getting the bottle green shimmer gown this time. So this was actually my birthday dress, and I think this is gonna be my birthday dress in 2021. And this is so amazing, you guys. Just look at the shimmer and the glitter, and oh my god, this bottle green, I never knew bottle green could be so beautiful, and it will suit me and my skin type so very much. Oh my god, this looks amazing, you guys. I will try it on and share it with you guys, but it has like 3/4 sleeves over here, and there's a slit in the in the bottom part as well. Let's just go ahead and try this gown out because this is amazing. And this is how the green bottle green gown looks like. Look at how pretty the shimmer is and how perfect the fitting is. Can we just appreciate the fitting? Oh my god. And then also it has this cut over here, so that is another plus point. And I have actually tucked a safety pin over here because the neck was too deep, but the safety pin doesn't show, and it looks amazing. I cannot wait to wear this. Oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this outside, you guys. Look at how gorgeous the shimmer is. The quality is so amazing. I cannot praise Everpretty enough for this gown. Oh my god, this one is my favorite, hands down. And that was it, you guys. These were all the gowns and dresses that I got from Everpretty this time. I hope you enjoyed this. I absolutely love every freaking piece that I got this time from Everpretty. I cannot wait to shop more from them and share another haul with you guys very, very soon. But in case you want to try any of these, or you want to purchase any of these for yourselves, please go ahead and check out the description box with all the links, and don't forget to use the coupon code RidhimaMohini30 to get an additional 30% discount on your order. And I will see you guys the next time. Bye.